Welcome back, YouTube. It's Low-Tech Redneck here. I'm not going to do any more work to the Aveo today because I had to store some stuff for my cousin while she's in the middle of moving. I don't really want to risk catching a bed on fire. So, we're going to go rotate the tires on the Chevy. I also got some of this stuff. Transmission is a little low and it's kind of got a funky shift, so I figure why not toss this in. I've never actually used this product. I've used the Lucas transmission stop slip and I like it, but my transmission is not slipping. It just seems like it has rough shifts from third to fourth. And then seafoam the engine. I've never done it on this truck. It kind of has a little bit of a choppy idle. I cleaned the intake and mass airflow sensor and throttle body last week. It didn't help a whole lot, so we're going to seafoam the motor and see if we can't smoke out the neighborhood. I don't know if you've ever seafoamed an engine before, but it makes it just a huge white cloud. Everyone thinks something's going on with your truck when you do it. It's funny, but that helps clean carbon, helps clean your valves, helps clean your pistons off. It's really good. Makes a mess. But anyways, we're gonna get this thing jacked up, get some jack stands under it, start rotating tires. A little time lapse to toss in the middle. We'll check back in a little bit. Well, the front's on jack stands, the back's jacked up. I got the best help I could get.
You know you're missing a
plug nut? Yeah, probably. You can take the back one off too if you want. And I'll roll them and swap them. What are you doing, Dixie dog? No, you can't go for a ride. You're hooked to your chain, silly. Okay, we're gonna seafoam it. I got it running.
That's so cute. Dixie wants to go for a ride.
I got it running so we can warm it up. Exhaust was done by me. True dual straight pipes. It's got catalytic converters and that's it. Now, I don't know. I'm letting the engine warm up before I seafoam it. I've used this before, but I've never used it on a cold engine. I don't know that would hurt it, but I'm sure it's a lot easier on it if you warm the motor up first. So we're gonna get the motor warmed up, and then we're gonna put the special hose inside the intake here, so the seafoam will spray into the intake while the truck's running. We'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, got the handy dandy U-hose shoved in there. Supposed to start the vehicle, spray this in until the can's empty. It says we're about 7 minutes. Last time I did it, it didn't take that long. And it's gonna smoke like a son of a bitch. You wanna start the truck?
Yeah.
Remember, hold it to about 1200, 1500 RPMs when you get going. Should start seeing smoke in just a few minutes, a few seconds. Okay, seafoam's in. Made kind of an oily mess because I let the hose slip off. This here doesn't have any special instructions other than dump it in and you'll notice a difference either immediately or within 100 miles. I'm sure I'll notice fairly quick since I don't have a major issue, just a small one. We'll go ahead and get this dumped in, and then I'm going to take the truck for a drive to burn out the seafoam and get this shit mixed in well. And check back in a bit. You like that? Made it myself. That too. Not very proud of that one. Threw that one together pretty quick. Got a new one in the works. Just gotta wait for it to warm up and get some more materials bought. Say bye, Dixie. Dixie, say bye. Nikki.
Yeah.
Chevy didn't do that. Nasty. What, baby? It should still smoke either way because it's burning it off. Woo! Okay, we're gonna let her sit for a few and we'll fire it back up and burn off the rest. Man, I need to get the fan turned on in here. Woo. Okay, got the Aveo Seafoam. That was a fun ordeal, tell you what. Anyways, probably done for the day for the most part. Got some small tinkering around to do, some cleaning up. There's always fucking cleanup around here. But I know I don't have a whole lot of good content at the moment, but I'm just starting, trying to figure this whole thing out. My plan is to start making at least a video every 2 weeks. I've got projects out the ass. I got my trailer, I got my car to finish. I got 77 F-250 my little brother needs help on. He's only 13. I've got a 79 race Bronco I used to go mud racing with. I got a few small projects for friends. I got a buddy that derbies, he wants to build 2 cars this year. I got buddies that go drifting and they want to go to a couple events this year. So I'm really hoping between everything I got and the stuff I can go hang out with my friends and get some footage there that we can really put together a decent channel this year. That's about it really. I mean, if you like welding, shooting, we're gonna go, me and the girlfriend go out in a few weeks and make another video. We've got an old 60-inch TV outside and a couple other small things we want to blow up with some tannerite, and that'll make pretty good footage. We're gonna let her shoot the AR-15 and make the explosions happen because she hasn't shot as much as I have and she really wants to. But yeah, got a few welding projects. I'll get some stuff put together for you guys. Just stay tuned, stick around, be patient. I know I have been. I wanted to start making these videos a couple years ago, but life kind of got in the way, but things are slowing back down. I think it's about time to do this, so we'll make something happen. Right, Nikki?
Yeah.
And then in a couple weeks we'll go blow stuff up out the farm. she'll shoot the gun. Thanks. Well, swapping out the crank sensor and the cam sensor. Patriot hasn't had any issues since. Nikki's tearing things apart and getting it all vacuumed up and clean nice when we trade it in. Ain't no sense in trading in a messy piece of shit. Get it all cleaned up, show me care a little. And she's looking into a 2015 or 16 Ford Explorer now, 4-wheel drive with the EcoBoost. Between me and her, we got 3 kids, my son and 2 stepdaughters, and you cannot fit 3 car seats and luggage in there. It just don't work. You can't even fit 3 car seats in. We've tried. My truck's big enough, but at 16 miles to the gallon, who wants to drive it all over the country? And the Aveo, well, it's just a daily driver slash beat around rig. Damn it, she's fun though. 4-cylinder, 5-speed, no balls. Crank the e-brake, just have a blast in it. But yeah, that's our weekend so far. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe, but if you watch the whole video all the way through, please click like, because that'll show me I've had that many people make it all the way through. Tell me what I need to do different. And like I said, don't ask too much of me yet, because this is only my 3rd video I'm doing. So, we'll get there. I'm just a redneck with a camera trying to make shit work.